Hello, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 10. In this video I'll show you how to fix no sound during calls. In the beginning, during call, make sure to increase the sound of the calls. Try to change call volume via buttons on the side or via settings right here. Next, you can disable Bluetooth to rule out connected devices. In the next steps, you can clean earpiece with soft brush, test with another call or app, for example WhatsApp, restart the whole smartphone or restart network settings. You can do it by going to Settings, System, Reset Options and Reset Mobile Network Settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.